How to create a collection. The collection is a generic entity representing an organization unit, agile release train, tribe, or others. Click on the Create Collection button and a modal window will appear. Select the level of your collection from the selection. Let's start by creating a collection to represent the portfolio. Type the name AI Platform, a short name, PAI, and a color. Select the hierarchy and ALM account. Once you create the collection, it is not possible to change the hierarchy level or ALM account. Describe what your collection is about. Build the best AI platform. The next step is to select the capabilities for this collection. For the portfolio level collection, you may want to turn off program boards and solution boards. Access rights can be granted from the users and permissions. Select the user and their role. Press Save and a collection will be created. In the org view, it will be visible at the tree. You may click on the collection types on the left to view relevant collections. Let's create another collection for our Agile release train. Click on the Create Collection button, select the portfolio collection that we created, select Type as Agile release train, and type other details, Data ART, DART. Since it's an Agile release train, we will be working with program boards, but we may not need solution boards. You can also reorder the options, and in the collection, view it will appear accordingly. Set the users and permissions and save it. The collections are visible on the org tree. Click on the name of the collection to view details. In Platform ART, program boards are hidden, and in Digital Art Collection, the options are shown according to the order set in the collection. To modify the collections, you can go to the About section, click on the Edit. You may also edit from the list of collections by Edit Menu option. For more information, check out help.kendis.io.